Okay, this is a deeply stamped buckle by Tom Charlie. It features a really nice piece of Chinese turquoise, and the overall design, although it is certainly classic Navajo, it does have a bit of an oriental feel. It has the standard buckle attachment on the back, and it's heavy, deeply stamped. The stamping is really precise and very clean, so you don't get any overlap or anything such as that. It really just looks nice. And this is the kind of buckle that you could wear all the time. You could wear it, actually you could wear it dressed up or just in jeans, and it looks super, no matter where you're going or what you're doing.